Hello kids, I'm Priyanka and I'm back again with my new chapter, The Legend of Marathon. The marathon is a sporting event. Marathon एक sporting event होता है. It is running race. इसमें running races होते हैं 42 kilometers के. The word marathon also means a task or event that lasts a long time. इसका मतलब होता है एक task या फिर एक event जो बहुत long time के तक लिए हो and require इसमें बहुत सारे effort और patience लगता है. The first marathon race was organized at the time of first Olympic game. पहला मैराथन रेस ऑर्गेनाइज हुआ था पहले ओलंपिक गेम्स में विच वर हेल्ड इन ग्रीस जो कि ग्रीस में हुआ था. द मैराथन वॉज स्टार्टेड इन द मेमोरी ऑफ लेजेंडरी ग्रीक हीरो. ये मैराथन स्टार्ट किया गया था लेजेंडरी हीरो के नाम पे. फिलिडिप Phidippus, who had carried an important message from the Battle of Marathon to Athens. Given below is a story of his famous run of marathon. इस story में हम उसकी famous run के बारे में पढ़ेंगे. Around 2500 years ago, 2005 years ago पहले Persia was mighty kingdom. Persia एक बहुत ज़्यादा mighty kingdom था. Their large army had landed in his bay near the town of Marathon. The target was Athens. उनका target था Athens, a city of Greece. Athens had a small army compared to Persian. Athens के पास बहुत ही small army थी compared to Persian. But the Athenian soldiers were very brave. But जो Athenian के soldiers थे वो बहुत brave थे. They had faced the Persian before, but they never helped from other Greek kingdoms now. But उन्होंने पर्शियन से पहले भी लड़ाई की थी बट अब उनको और भी दूसरे ग्रीक किंगडम से हेल्प चाहिए थी. दे डिसाइडेड टू सेंड स्पेशल मैसेजेस टू द नेबरिंग किंगडम स्पार्टा. तो उन्होंने एक स्पेशल मैसेज भेजा नेबरिंग किंगडम को स्पार्टा को अपने नाम से. Phidippus was a young man who served as day-long runner. He ran to Sparta like a wind. He covered the distance for nearly 100 kilometers in a day. But alas, the people of Sparta were busy with some ceremonies. लोग वहाँ के बहुत ज़्यादा busy थे. Did not want to join battle immediately. वो battle join करना नहीं चाहते थे. Phidippus took this message back to Athens with a heavy heart, but on the light feet. Again, he ran 100 kilometers with a day. When the journals of Athens bear the cold Spartan response, they did not lose heart. They were ready to fight on their own. वो खुद में लड़ने को ready हो गए. The Persian army was watching Athens like a cat watch. वो पर्शियन की जो आर्मी थी वो एथेंस की आर्मी को कैट वॉच की तरह देख रही थी जैसे कि वो एक माउस होल में आ रहे हो. दे डिसाइडेड टू लॉन्च अ सरप्राइज अटैक ऑन पर्शियन. वो सोचते हैं कि हम पर्शियन पे एक सरप्राइज अटैक करते हैं. द एथियंस जनरल सेंट देयर फ्लैंक्स राउंड द पर्शियन फोर्सेस लाइक स्पीडिंग एरो एंड ब्रो बिगैन टू ड्रॉ देम इन. द पर्शियन वर रेडी नॉट रेडी फॉर द बैटल. अब पर्शियन बैटल के लिए रेडी नहीं थे. Even so, they were skilled archer. They showed arrows on the shoulders of Athens, but the arrows simply fell off their helmet and the strong armors. Also, the Athenians knew their seashore well. The Persians were new to Termians. Many of them were killed. Many more were injured. बहुत सारे लोग घायल हो गए, बहुत सारे लोग मर गए. Some of them were lost in the marshy areas. कुछ लोग खो भी गए थे. The brave Athenians draw back even single remaining Persian soldier back to their ship anchored in the bay. The battle was over with few hours. कुछ देर में battle खत्म हो गई. Battle was over but the Persian did not accept defeat. Battle खत्म तो हो गई थी लेकिन Persian हार नहीं मानते हैं. They saw that the entire army of Athens had rushed to the seashore. वो सारी आर्मी seashore के towards गई है, leaving the city of Athens far behind. Only the aged people, women and the children were left in the city. The Persian now desired with a new plan. वो नया plan लेके आते हैं. The sea route of the city of Athens was much shorter than the land route. The Persian decided to take the sea route and pronounce upon Athens from the seaside. The Athens army would take very long to travel back to Athens on foot. With their heavy armor and weapons, seeing the Persian and defenseless people in the city of Athens would think that Athens had lost the battle. Then it would be easy for the Persian to take over the city. The Athens journey too was a goal strategy. When they saw that the Persian fleet leave in the hurry, they understood the Persian plan. जैसे ही वो देखते हैं कि Persians बहुत हरी में जा रहे हैं, वो Persian का plan समझ जाते हैं. They resolved to go back to Athens और वो लोग तुरंत वापस जाने को तैयार हो जाते हैं. But it was very necessary to let people of Athens know they had won. But वो चाहते थे कि वो लोगों को पहले बताएं कि वो जीत चुके हैं. Then they would not open the city gates to Persian और वो लोग पर्शियन के लिए सिटी गेट ना खोले. दे वुड वेट फॉर द विक्टोरियस एथेंस आर्मी टू रिटर्न, और वो आर्मी के रिटर्न का वेट करे. दे वुड दैट्स वुड बी सेफ, और ये सिटी के लिए सेफ होगा. Who would take the message to? The message must be delivered before the Persian reached there. Message Persian से पहले वहाँ पहुँचना चाहिए था. Who would travel faster than a Persian ship, and that too on a longer route? Who else but Philippus? Philippus has already completed a run for more than 200 kilometers just before a day, but he was a brave man. He would do anything for his state. वो बहुत ही brave था, वो कुछ भी कर सकता था अपने state के लिए. Also this time he would carry a happy message. It was not easy for the Philippines to reach Athens sooner than Persian did. That is why this time he left the unusual safe route and chose another one. He passed through cliffs, वो cliff, mountains और shorter रास्ते से जाने की कोशिश करता है. Phillips scaled the first step of cliff and picked up speed. He had to run more than 40 kilometers. It was very hot and began to perspire. There were some shady olive trees on one side of the road, but Persian couldn't rest. वो कहीं पे भी रुक नहीं सकता था. He just ran and ran. His heart began to beat faster. उसका heart बहुत ज़ोर ज़ोर से धड़कने लगता है. वो बहुत ज़्यादा weak हो जाता है hunger से and thirst से, but he did not stop. But वो रुकता नहीं है. At last, Philippus came within sight of city gates at Athens. He was successfully in his mission. He was reached before Persian. The people of Athens threw upon the gate of Philippines. What happened, Philippines? Do you bring a good news? Or yes, joy to you, we won. वो बोलते हैं हम जीत गए हैं. We also, as Philippines had delivered this message, he collapsed, never to rise again. He had laid down in his life in the service of Athens. The story of Philippines has inspired the people of Greece for many centuries. His historical run for the marathon of Athens became a legend. When the Olympic when started in the Greece, his legendary event was commentated it form of sporting event, the marathon. Today the marathon was arranged in many countries. When you see one of them, you would old enough to take part in one. Remember the first marathon runner. Thank you.